That's all I need to hear. Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team. Get the hell out of there.
Returning to duty.
Raptor 1 is the LZ, Requiem X. Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem. Strike team, we gotta go. Let's move it. This is Raptor 1. Strike team on board for extraction.
Well deserved.
Requiem, Alpha Site just went nuclear. Facility has been destroyed. Good work, strike team. We've closed the breach. But I got a feeling Omega Group is just getting started.